Hello all, welcome back again to the series of network security essentials. Here we will solve the example of Playfair algorithm because in last session we have seen some theory and some rules of Playfair algorithm. Here some rules have been excluded from the last session. So again we are considering with one suitable example. So as mentioned, whatever original message is there, let's consider one original message OFF. We have to make a pair of this original message. So here OF will be the first pair, and what about this last EF? So if this is the situation, just add Z to the last letter. So you can add the Z. If similar letters are there which cannot be paired, so in that case we have to append X. So just like A M double E T. So if this is the case, we can make a pair of AM. For double similar letters, we have to append what? X. For first, we will add X, and after adding X for this first E, so the second E can be paired with the T. So likewise, we can make a pair. Okay. So here, one important example we will see. For example, my original message is hide money, hide money, and keyword, for example, is tutorials, TORIALS. So first of all, we have to make a pair of original message. So HI will be the first pair, DE will be the second pair, MO will be the third pair, NE will be the fourth one. And what about Y? So as mentioned, if this is the case, if odd number is present, to append Z at the last. So this pair we have created. Now second step is saying that keyword we have to add into the 5 by 5 matrix. Okay, so in this case 25 letters we can include in the 5 by 5 matrix. What about the last letter? So either I or J can be excluded from the table, or both can be added in a single cell. If in my original message, if I is present, then exclude the J from the table. If J is present, then exclude the Y. So likewise, we can add the keywords. Fine. So here, firstly, we'll make a matrix 1, the second, third, fourth, and 5. Fine. Now, the keywords we have to add, and make sure that there should not be repetition of keywords, only unique letters we have to add. So T will be the first, U, T. So T will be repeated. So that is why this third T we have to exclude from the table. O. Next will be the O, right? O. Then R, right? R. After O there is a R. Then I, right? Then A, L, and then S. Remaining letters we have to add from the sequence. So sequentially A is there, but which already we have added that. Next sequence is a B, C, D, E is there. Yeah, no, E, F, G, H, I. I is already written here. Okay. So after H, J. J is also there. No. H, I, J. Where is the J? So J we have to exclude. Right? As mentioned, J we have to exclude. K. Then L. L is there here. So exclude that. There should not be repetition. M. N. O is written here. So exclude that. P. Q. Then R is also there. That is why V, W, X, Y, and Z. See, all 25 letters we have sequentially added, which are unique. Now, take the original message. Where is the original message? Paired original message is this one. So we are going to encrypt the message now. Okay. So first rule is saying that if the letters, both the letters, paired, both the letters are same in the present in the same column, so take one decision. If it is there in the same row, take another decision. If it is not there in the same column or row, then take a third decision. Okay. So first of all, we will see the first pair, H I. Where is H? In my original data, here is my H. Fine. So here I am marking H. Where is the I? Here, I. Okay. So H and I are there in the same column. So if both the letters are there in the same column, take a letter below each one, going back to the top if at the bottom. Means if my first letter is at the bottom, so next immediate first letter we have to consider. For H, what will be the next letter? Q. So for H, we have to write the Q. I. What is the next immediate letter? Next down letter for I, that is C. For I, write the C. Now next pair is a DE. Where is the D? D is here and E is here. Okay, which are there in the same row. Now see it. First HI was in the same column. Now D is in the same row. If it is the case, if both letters are in the same row, we have seen this rule in the last session. To take a letter to the right of each one. Okay. Next immediate right we have to consider. Next immediate letter for D is E. So write E for D. Next immediate letter for E is F. Write F. Now MO. Where is M? M is here and O is here. Now see, this is the third case. Both the letters are not there in the same column or same row. If this is the case, just to make a rectangle where our letters are present, just make a rectangle and take a immediate left or right as per the letter. So for MO, from the newly created rectangle, we have to select the value. So in this newly created rectangle, immediate right or left, immediate next letter or immediate left letter. Which one is there? M. For M, letter is N. Okay. So if this is the case, the two letters, take letters on the horizontal opposite corner. So corner letters we have to select. So M, for M, corner, immediate corner letter is N for newly created rectangle, not for the complete matrix. Okay, for newly created rectangle, just to take it N. What about O? The opposite is U for O. Fine. Next one is NE. What about NE? Where is the N? N is here. E is, where is the E? E is here. Again, there is the opposite letter. So here we can make a one more pair. E and N. Fine. So see, E and N are not present in the same column or a same row. That is why we have created new rectangle where these two letters can be captured. Now, a rule is saying that if this is the case, just take the opposite corners. For N, opposite is M. For E, opposite is F. Just write it. Last pair is remaining, that is YZ. Now, what about YZ? Where is the Y? Y is here and Z is also here. So, first rule will be applied here. If two letters are there in the same row, immediate next letter we have to consider. So, Z immediate, there is no immediate letter for the Z. So, in this case, from the same row, first letter we have to choose. So, first letter from the same row is a V, and for Z, sorry, for Y it is a Z, and for Z it is a V. I hope this is clear to all. Okay, well, for example, if Q and H is the value, let's consider here Q and H is the value. Q and Z, not H, Z. So how can we write here? For Q, immediate down next down is a Z, but what about down for Z? There is no any letter for Z. So again, we have to go for the same column and we have to choose the I. Okay, first letter from that same column or same row. So that is the created ciphertext using the Playfair algorithm. Okay, so while decrypting this message, same procedure we have to follow, and then we can get the original message. Okay, thank you so much.